Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport headlight flickering and provides a general overview of situations where the headlights may appear to dim, brighten, or fluctuate while driving or when the vehicle is stationary. Headlight flickering is discussed here as a change in light intensity rather than a complete loss of lighting. This explanation remains general because lighting system design, electrical load, mileage, usage conditions, and maintenance history can vary by model year and configuration, and the issue may not apply to every Ford EcoSport. In reviewed technical and service-related information, headlight flickering is treated as a condition within the vehicle electrical and lighting operation rather than a single confirmed fault. In some situations, flickering may occur during changes in engine speed, electrical demand, or operating conditions. Older generations may experience different lighting behavior due to normal wear over time, while newer models could still show flickering depending on system calibration, electrical load, or prior repairs. The presence of flickering alone does not automatically identify a specific component and typically requires inspection. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. From a general guidance perspective, headlight flickering concerns are usually evaluated through electrical system checks rather than assumptions. Some situations may involve inspection of lighting operation and power supply behavior, while other cases may require further evaluation if a verified condition is identified. Driving environment and vehicle usage can also influence when flickering becomes noticeable. In conclusion, headlight flickering in the Ford EcoSport can have different explanations depending on vehicle generation, condition, and operating environment. Understanding that flickering patterns are not identical across all vehicles helps ensure appropriate evaluation without unnecessary conclusions. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.